Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video, I'll be showing students how to use Ellii Solo. So let's get started. First, go to ellii.com/students. Log into your account with either your email or username, or the key code your teacher has given you. Once you have logged in, click Ellii Solo. If this is your first time using Ellii Solo, a welcome message will appear. After reading it, click Continue. You will then be asked to take a placement test. If you would like to take the placement test, or your teacher has asked you to take the placement test, then click the blue button that says Start Placement Test. The test takes 40 minutes, and then you are placed in a level where you can begin working on content recommended to you. If you would like to skip the test, click Skip. This will automatically place you in the pre-beginner level. For students taking the placement test, continue by clicking the blue Continue button. Check that your audio is working by clicking the play button.
Don't stress.
If it's working, click It's working and then continue. If it is not working, you can click It's not working and follow the instructions below. Once you're ready, you can click the blue Start button to start the test. Once you have finished your test, you'll be given an Ellii level. You can review your answers by clicking Review Answers, or you can begin working on lessons by clicking Explore Content at the bottom. This will bring you to your student dashboard. This page is also where you land if you skip the placement test. It is also the page you land whenever you log in to Ellii Solo. Here you will find the lessons that are recommended to you based on your level. You can click on the first one to begin, click on a course, and then click on a lesson to begin. Once you complete a lesson, you'll get a crown. Once all of the lessons are completed, you'll get all of the crowns and you'll earn a badge. You can click Home at the top to return to your dashboard, and you'll see your badges in the top right corner. This is also how you can keep track of how many days you've logged into Ellii Solo. From your dashboard, you are also able to retake the placement test by clicking the arrow. If you think a level is too easy or too hard for you, you can retake the test to be placed in another level. You can also click on a level to see the other learning pathways. You can work on these at any time. Here you have more options to what you can work on the site. First, at the top is the library. Here is where you can browse through all of the courses available on Ellii Solo. At the top, you can change the level that is displayed, and you can click into any course to view the lessons, and click on a lesson to begin. Next is videos. If you click videos at the top, you can browse through all of the videos available on Ellii Solo. You can change how the videos are displayed in the top right corner. If you would like to save a video to your collection, you can click the bookmark button. If you would like to watch a video, you can click the play button. If you would like captions, you can click the CC button to display them. In the top left corner, you can also filter the results. You can click a section on the left and then click into another section on the right to display the results. Next, at the top is Shorts. These are short videos that you can use to improve your vocabulary. You can also filter at the top. Click play to view the video. You can use the CC button to the right to display captions. You can mute the video with the second button, and you can give the video a like. Lastly, at the top is Words. Here is where you find the words that you've learned at the end of your lessons. You can filter through the words that you don't know, the words that you do know, and the words you have saved. If you would like to save any words to your saved list, you can click the bookmark icon. At the bottom, you can study your words. If you know the word, click the check mark. If you don't know the word and would like more practice, click the X. You can also hear the word by clicking the speaker button, and find the definition for the word by clicking the information icon. When you click the arrow in the top right corner, you can view your account and your saved videos. From your account, you can make any changes to your profile. You can see what you're currently working on. You can change your notification settings with these buttons. You can also see your current level and retake the placement test if you would like. You can access your saved videos by clicking See Saved Videos. And you can see your progress. That's it for this video on how to use Ellii Solo. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.